Okay guys, this is my Swiss Army Volcano Ranger stove. So it comes in three parts: the wood burner or the multi-fuel burner, the cup and the bottle with the cork on. I've used this a few times now, maybe 4 or 5, and yeah, I've already made the mistake of trying to boil water with the cork in. It shot out quite loud, got a little bit of a fright. So yeah, don't do that. It fits inside. I'll show you. It's got the little hook there, see, to clip it in, which is on there. It clips together like so. So yeah, it's quite a good little bit of kit. Very, very dirty. I mean, I've washed the outside, but it's still quite bad. Right. Pick up my cork. Just light. It's because it's fucking really, really cold. Oh, we're on fire now. Still snowing. So yeah, it's quite an effective stove really. It burns, and as you see the holes allow the air in the bottom. And so yeah, I'm going to use my... can use quite any really pots with this bad boy, my billy can. So we can boil some water. Duty. We're back soon. As you can see how dirty this actual cooker is, we've actually got a good boil now. It's been like maybe 9 minutes. So yeah. Sweet. Yeah, really dirty, so you might want to take a plastic bag with you to carry it back in. Oh yeah, that good shit. It's actually... sun's come out. It's still quite cold. Mental.